solve d square plus a square y is equal to tan dx using the method of variation of parameters. Okay. Solution: given differential equation d square plus a square into y is equal to tan dx. Let it be equation number 1, where f of d is equal to d square plus a square. Now auxiliary equation f of d is equal to 0. That implies d square plus a square is equal to 0. That implies d square is equal to minus a square. So d is equal to plus or minus ip. Roots are complex conjugate here. Then the complementary function of differential equation 1 is given by yc is equal to e power, here roots are d is equal to 0 plus or minus ia. So complementary function yc is equal to e power 0x into c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. So that implies yc is equal to e power 0x is 1. So that c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. This is the complementary function we have. So ఇక్కడ మనం ఏమనుకున్నాం వర్కింగ్ రూల్ లో yc is equal to c1u plus c2v అనుకున్నాం కదా. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ u is equal to cos ax, v is equal to sin ax. Okay. Now we have to calculate uv1 minus vu1. That is equal to uv1 అంటే u dv by dx minus v u1 అంటే du by dx. So that is equal to u means cos ax d by dx of v అంటే sin ax minus v sin ax du by dx అంటే u means cos ax. దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే cos ax sin ax డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ a cos ax minus sin ax cos ax differentiation minus a sin ax. Okay, that is equal to a ఉంది ఇక్కడ కూడా a ఉంది. ఆ a కామన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ cos square ax మైనస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది sin square ax. that is equal to మనకు తెలుసు cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 అనేది అంటే ట్రిగనామెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీ. సో దాని ప్రకారం cos square ax plus sin square ax is 1. సో a into 1 that is equal to a. అంటే uv1 is equal to vu1 is equal to small a వచ్చింది అన్నమాట. ఓకే. Now the particular integral yt is equal to మనకు yc అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax కదా. c1 ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ A రాస్తాం, c2 ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ B రాస్తాం. కాబట్టి a cos ax plus b sin ax. సో పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ yp is equal to a into cos ax plus b into sin ax. అంటే పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ yp అనేది ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం క్యాపిటల్ A క్యాపిటల్ B కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? నౌ given d is d square plus a square y is equal to tan ax. that implies d square y plus a square y is equal to tan a. That implies d square y is d square y by dx square plus ikkada dy by dx ledu kabatti 0 into dy by dx plus a square into y is equal to tan ax. చూడండి ఇక్కడ it is in the standard form of second order linear differential equation. d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to tan x. Q into y is equal to capital R. So that where p is equal to 0, q is equal to a square, capital R is equal to tan x. Okay. So మనం ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ లోకి తీసుకొని క్యాపిటల్ P క్యాపిటల్ R రాసాం. Now we have to calculate capital A, capital B. Now capital A is given by the formula minus integral minus VR divided by uv1 minus vu1. That is equal to integral minus v. V is equal to మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది sin ax. Capital R is tan ax divided by uv1 minus vu1 is small a. Okay, that is equal to ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ a ఉంది, minus 1 by a కామన్ తీస్తాం. ఇంటెగ్రల్ sin ax tan ax అంటే sin ax by cos ax into dx. Okay, that is equal to minus 1 by a integral sin ax అంటే sin square ax divided by cos ax that into dx. So that is equal to minus 1 by a integral sin square ax ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 minus cos square ax divided by cos ax దీన్ని రాస్తాం into dx. మనకు తెలుసు కదా sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 అని, కాబట్టి sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So that is equal to minus 1 by a integral split చేద్దాం 1 by cos a x minus cos square ax by cos ax, cos square ax by cos ax dx. That is equal to minus 1 by a integral of 1 by cos ax is secant ax minus ఇక్కడ cos ax cancel అయితే cos ax ఉంటుంది, cos ax dx. That is equal to minus 1 by a secant ax integration log of secant ax plus tan ax divided by a minus integral of cos ax is minus sin ax by a. So minus sin ax by a. So that is equal to ఇక్కడ 1 by a కామన్ తీస్తే minus 1 by a square అవుతుంది, log of secant ax plus tan ax minus minus plus sin square sin ax. Okay, sin ax. This is capital A. Okay, this is capital A. Now we have to calculate capital B. Now capital B is given by the formula integral UR divided by uv1 minus vu1 into dx. So that is equal to integral u1 David cos ax. Okay, R is equal to tan ax by uv1 minus vu1 is small a into dx. So that is equal to 1 by a integral cos ax tan ax అంటే sin ax by cos ax అని రాస్తాము. Okay, dx. So that is equal to 1 by a cos cancel integral sin ax dx. What is the integration of sin ax? that is equal to 1 by a. Integration of sin ax is minus cos ax. Minus cos ax by x. Minus. That is equal to minus 1 by a square cos ax. Okay. So a value, b value వచ్చినాయి. Now particular integral yp is equal to. Now particular integral yp is equal to మనకేముంది a into cos ax plus b into sin ax. a వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం, b వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. So that is equal to a is given by this one minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax minus sin ax into cos ax plus b is equal to minus 1 by a square into cos ax. So minus 1 by a square into cos ax into sin ax. So that is equal to minus 1 by a square, split chestam, minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax. So minus minus plus అవుతుంది 1 by a square sin ax into cos ax. ఇక్కడ minus 1 by a square cos ax into sin ax. Okay, ఇక్కడ plus 1 by a square sin ax minus 1 by a square cos ax will get cancelled. So that is equal to the remaining ఏముంటుంది minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax. This is what we have yp, particular integral. Therefore, general solution of given differential equation given DE1 is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. That is equal to yc అంటే c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax plus yp. Yp అంటే so minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus tan ax into cos ax. This is the general solution of given differential equation by the method of variation of parameters. Solve d square plus a square y is equal to secant ax by the method of variation of parameters. Solution. Given differential equation d square plus a square y is equal to secant ax. We call it equation number 1, where f of t is equal to t square plus a square. Okay. Now auxiliary equation f of t is equal to 0. That implies t square plus a square is equal to 0. That implies t square is equal to minus a square. That implies t is equal to plus or minus ig. Here roots of auxiliary equation are complex conjugate. Okay, so D is equal to 0 plus or minus 8. Now the complementary function CF is given by YC is equal to C1 cos AX plus C2 sin AX. Okay, here e power AX of C1 cos AX plus C2 sin AX. Here this term is 0, so e power 0x is 1. So directly we can write this one. YC is equal to C1 cos AX plus C2 sin AX. Okay, now compare this complementary function YC with YC is equal to C1 U of X plus C2 V of X. Then U of X is equal to cos AX. V of X is equal to sin X. Okay. Now we have to calculate UV1 minus VU1. UV1 minus VU1 is equal to U dV by dx minus V du by dx. So that is equal to U means cos AX. dV by dx of sin AX minus V means sin AX. d by dx of U means cos AX. Then we simplify this one. Cos AX into sin AX differentiation A cos AX minus sin AX into cos AX differentiation minus A sin AX. Okay, ఇక్కడ A కామన్ గా ఉంది, సో you take it common. A into cos AX into cos AX, cos square AX minus plus sin AX into sin AX, sin square AX. So it is here, it is in the form of cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ 1 అవుతుంది. సో A into 1 that is equal to small. So the value of UV1 minus VU1 is small. Okay. Now the particular integral yp is equal to, ఇక్కడ మనకు కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ఏమొచ్చింది, yc is equal to c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax కదా. కాబట్టి yc లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ c1 మరియు c2 ప్లేస్ లో మనం క్యాపిటల్ A క్యాపిటల్ B రాస్తాం. అప్పుడు పర్టికులర్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ yp is equal to a into cos ax plus b into sin ax, where a and b are functions of x. Okay, ఇక్కడ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ c1 ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ A రాశాం, C2 ప్లేస్ లో క్యాపిటల్ B రాశాం. ఓకే, where A and B are functions of x. Now we can calculate A and B using the following formula. A is equal to integral minus V r divided by uv1 minus vu1 dx, and B is equal to integral u r by uv1 minus vu1 dx. Okay. Now, what is the given differential equation? Given differential equation is b square plus a square y is equal to secant ax. That implies b square y plus a square y is equal to secant ax. That implies d square y into d square y by dx square and రాయొచ్చు ప్లస్ dy by dx టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి మనం 0 into dy by dx అని రాస్తాం ప్లస్ a square y is equal to secant ax. Okay, it is in the form of standard form. It is in the standard form. Okay, since it is in the standard form, if we compare ఇది standard form లో ఉంది, it is in the form of d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus q into y is equal to r, where p, q and r are functions of s. So if we compare this equation with this equation, we have capital P is equal to 0, q is equal to a square, r is equal to secant ax. Okay. Now we have to calculate capital A and capital B. A is equal to integral minus VR by uv1 minus vu1 dx. So that is equal to minus v అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు v is equal to sin ax, r అంటే r is equal to secant ax divided by uv1 minus vu1 is small a into dx. That is equal to minus 1 by n into sin ax divided by secant ax 1 by cos ax and రాసుకోవచ్చు dx. That is equal to minus 1 by n integral tan ax. Okay, that is equal to minus 1 by n. What is the integration of tan ax? Log of secant ax by small a. So that is equal to minus 1 by a. ఇక్కడ a ఉంది కాబట్టి minus 1 by a square log of secant ax. Okay, this is the value of capital A. Now we will calculate capital A. Capital B is equal to integral ur divided by uv1 minus vu1 dx. Capital B is equal to integral u r divided by uv1 minus vu1 dx. That is equal to integral u అంటే cos ax. Okay, r is secant ax. Divided by uv1 minus vu1 is small u. One by here integral cos ax divided by secant ax 1 by cos ax रास्ता cos ax dx. Cos ax will get cancelled, so that is equal to 1 by here integral 1 dx. That is equal to 1 by here integral 1 dx ante enta x, so that is equal to x by here. This is the value of b. ఇక్కడ a మరియు b వాల్యూస్ ను yp లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. Therefore yp is equal to yp is equal to a into cos ax plus b into sin ax. Okay, so that is equal to a value minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus b is equal to x by a sin x. Okay, this is yp. Now the general solution of given differential equation is y is equal to yc plus yp. That is equal to yc అంటే c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax plus yp ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది minus 1 by a square log of secant ax plus x by a sin ax. This is the general solution of given differential equation. Okay na? Okay, thank you.